Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. And today's recipe is a biscuit and gravy casserole. So you're going to take 2 cans of biscuits, and I just do 1 can at a time. The first can, I'm cutting each biscuit into 4ths, quartering each biscuit, if you will. I also have a 9x13 pan that I've lightly greased, and I'm just going to sprinkle the biscuit pieces from that first can. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to heat up my sausage and cook that till everything's browned. And while that was cooking, I went ahead and did the second can of biscuits. Same thing, I quartered those and then I set it aside. Those will go on top when we're done. And once all the sausage is cooked, you can add in some flour, kind of soak up that grease and help it thicken. And once that's cooked for like a minute or so, you could add in the milk. And you're going to cook that for several minutes until it starts boiling, and then a few more minutes after it starts boiling, just so it thickens up. And I did season that with some cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. I just kind of eyeballed it. But I will have the full recipe and all the ingredients and instructions below in the description box. This is a recipe from my Delish cookbook. I have a ton of Delish cookbooks, and their food's really good, so you're going to see a lot of those recipes. But once you've let that boil for 3 minutes, it should be nice and thick, and the biscuits should be done after you take them out of the oven. And you just pour the gravy right on top. And this fits exactly in a 9x13, but it was close to going over. So I really should have set this on a pan to make it easier to get in and out in the oven. And that way, if it drips, it doesn't get my oven dirty. But I kind of spread everything out so it looked even. And then I sprinkled the biscuits on top. Also brushed the biscuits with some melted butter. And then I sprinkled with a little bit more pepper on top. And then I returned that to the oven. You'll know it's ready when the biscuits are nice and golden brown on top. And it's ready to serve. You could add some chives on top if you like. And this is super good. It would make a really good thing to make for Christmas morning. So if you guys try this recipe, please leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.